Alright folks, well, got so excited to come out here, get offshore for one of our first times, definitely our first time fishing here, me, Shane and I. Got to do an intro, so came out here pretty close to the beach. Stay tuned, you want to see what we caught there, but then it's kind of slowed down, so we're going to head out to the very well known 9 Mile here in St. Augustine area. See what we do there, so hang on, wish us luck.
On real patrol, I'm on real patrol, running down a dream, drag screaming loud like a runaway machine, line watch steady, got my eyes on the prize, storm clouds rising but I ain't heading inside, grit in my soul, heart on the road, living for the fight, I'm on real patrol.
Let's go, this is what I've been waiting for.
Okay, up and then reel down. It'll be easier. Up. Point it up over your head. Okay. I'm just. Reel it when he gives you a line. Reel it.
I should have done a Murph yesterday.
Yep, there you go. When he gives it to you, get it.
I think I lost it.
No way.
Holy shit. Damn, that sucks.
Yep. It's fishy. Don't do it all the way in.
I know, man.
There you go. Come back here.
You fishy, 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 you fishy, fishy, fishy. Yes, sir. Oh, wait, no, ma. Never mind. It's something different. What the hell is that?
That's fine though, but I guess.
Dude's getting smoked right now.
Huh? What?
Nothing, I'm just playing with you. Smoking him now. Where are you? Yeah. Ooh, colorful. Look at what? Holy crap, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
On the noser.
Show the camera so we can figure it out.
It's got like stop it. There you go. Okay, I'm sorry.
It's kind of grunt.
On the nose.
Black spot, little yellow lines.
Hey!
Yeah, you gotta be careful with that. They'll do that. You need to
Pretty cool. I want to take the other bait.
It's a real shark.
It's a real shark. I don't know what type of shark this is. Get it, hurry up. Wait, this might be a cobia.
No, it's for more.
One more, sorry.
Cobia. Poor man's cobia.
Yeah. That's badass.
Okay, let out a lot of line. We're gonna mess with this a little bit here.
What the sticks are for? That's all massive. Hurry up.
Come this way, away from the pole. There we go. 1, 2. Okay.
Sun's creeping up, got a thermos full of black. Push off the dock, rods rattling in the back. That ICW is like a highway for the bowl, where the redfish run and the stories get told. Easing through the back creeks, pushing through the flats. Gotta keep my line tight, man, you know where I'm at. Tide's getting skinny, gotta pick the right hole. I'm on real patrol. I'm on real patrol, running down a dream, drag screaming loud like a runaway machine. Line watch steady, got my eyes on the prize. Storm clouds rising, but I ain't heading inside. lurking, yeah, they're hungry for braid, but I'm pitching that bait where the big boys play. Mangroves whisper in the afternoon heat, but that thunderhead's talking, saying, boy, don't sleep. Skiff cutting glass, gotta stay on my toes. Dodging summer showers, man, that's how it goes. If you ain't getting soaked, you ain't fishing full soul. I'm on real patrol.